I would like to congratulate Mr. Yusuf on becoming a first AQ certified snooker coach from Kenya. He has proved his abilities and now he is going to help his team and his country as a snooker coach. You can also become a certified snooker coach. And once becoming a certified snooker coach, you can not only have your own snooker academy, doesn't matter whether it's a one table academy, you can still coach over there, or you can help your club improving their game, or you can find a snooker job as a coach in Middle East, in Europe, or even in Asia. Become a certified snooker coach and enhance your coaching skills through AQ's coaching method. Congratulations, Mr. Yusuf, on becoming Kenya's first certified snooker coach. Visit our official website, Certified Coaches section, and see how many countries are under the umbrella of AQ Snooker now. So you can be part of AQ's family by becoming a certified snooker coach. So we welcome Mr. Yusuf in AQ Snooker family.